Well, hello everyone. How are you? Long time I didn't post any update on my channel because it's season of this year, winter already. So today I decided just to get a look to my plant, which is plants which are in the open. The situation not too much good, but we are still going. Anyway, this 2 3 days now we had like rain most of the time. The temperature dropped, but I was planning to put some plant here under the wall to be in shelter a little bit from if we'll have hail. I have the poinsettia, which is can tolerate like low temperatures, but they cannot tolerate their leaves. They cannot tolerate the hail and the snow. But I wanted to show you how much the poinsettia can be. Anyway, you can see the herb everywhere, but I have beautiful trees, small trees anyway, still growing. The plant, the normal plant which can grow outside, they can tolerate the cold, they are very happy. This plant, which is the thyme oregano, look the leaves, very nice. And you remember in one video I planted as a ficus. It was three small trees dying, still growing, and they are very good with the leaves, lush leaves, very nice. The aloe vera can tolerate the weather, no problem. The heaven tree also still good. There's this flower. Of course, oranges and mandarin, no problem. This tree I'm very happy. Look how much it's growing. Also from the garbage. Very nice, very beautiful tree. And these two trees, two branches, which I planted by cutting, still good. And this one, my wife love it, also growing. Let's see the poinsettia. And if you will have poinsettia during the period of Christmas, don't ever throw it. Can you imagine the size? Just the problem always every year, what I have is that I don't have a greenhouse. And the white one, which is very delicate more, I don't know why. The difference between the red also delicate, but it can still up even with too much rain. The other one, it's easy to broke the white, but it has one speciality that every cotton will fall down from it, you can grow it. Let me remove this and you will see it will stay green, and not after a long time it will grow to be a new plant. Here the hibiscus, they are still very small. This year I didn't take care too much. Generally I will put like bottle of plastic on it. I didn't make this, but this is a problem for the person who doesn't have greenhouse. Look the fur, and this is the white. Always it will broke their branches, I don't know why, but look how much big. And the red one there, how much beautiful, pretty and high. But with these two branches which fell down and I planted, look how much nice. Like the plant which they will sold to you in supermarket or in shops. See how much pretty? Ready to use anywhere. And this one also just a small branch which fell down and I planted. See how much it's nice. It's growing in the shade of the other trees. I need to work in the garden for one day. The problem, I don't have time now at all. And the queen of the night, my gigantic queen of the night. It's really gigantic. I think more than 2 meters easily. 2 meters. 2 meters and a half. One stem, one branch. You cannot know the stem from the branch. And queen of the night. Look the leaf. Look the leaves, how much big and long. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, the size. Anyway, I hope everyone is fine. I wanted to cut a little bit mandarin, even if not ready. But anyway, someone will come and they will take it. It can be very big and very orange, it will be sweet. I'm cutting it before and using it as lemon because it's very sour still. Enjoy your weekend, my friends, my followers. Thank you to watching. Hope everyone is fine. I hope one day they will discover how to post the smell, what you will feel after the rain of the garden, the smell of oranges, smell of mandarin. Love you all, respect you all. Thank you for following me. Thank you all. God bless everyone. Goodbye.